Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning, Kristi, Shive, Warren County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences, and I are going to whip up a treat, right, Kristi?
Yes, we both love our coffee, and we know that many people spend a lot of money going through their favorite coffee shops. And so if you are trying to save money, we have a few recipes for you to do a DIY coffee at home.
That's right. And not only are you going to save money, but you're probably going to save calories too, because I don't even want to see how many my pumps of syrup.
Yep. And we pulled these recipes from USDA, so you can feel good about them.
They're affordable and low calories.
Yes. So I'm making a cool one. You're making a hot one.
Absolutely. So how do we get started?
All right. So I am making a coffee cooler, and you are going to start with a half cup of coffee, and you can just cool it in your refrigerator, and you don't have to buy anything special. Next, we're doing just a half cup of milk.
Okay. And you can use low-fat milk there.
Yes.
To kind of save some there.
Yes. And now we are doing a half cup of low-fat frozen vanilla yogurt.
Yes, and that's going to give us some of that coolness.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, we talked about making sure that we get all of our nutrients out of my plate, but this could be some of our dairy.
Exactly. Yep. 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. You could use a sugar substitute if you didn't want to use true sugar. And then the recipe calls for 3 ice cubes.
Okay.
And now, Joanna, we are just going to blend this all up and see what happens. All right, Joanna, so now I have just a nice glass with a fun straw. And we are just gonna pour that into our glass. So if you are someone who loves those cold coffee beverages, this is gonna be a great treat for you.
Absolutely. It says we can even like sprinkle some cinnamon on there or cocoa, just to kind of make it fun and feel like you really did go to the coffee shop.
Yep, and we didn't spend hardly any money.
That's right. All right, Kristi, so you made the cold one for the people who like the iced coffee, but now we're going to make a warm one, maybe a little bit more traditional. We have 1 cup of water that we've heated up in the microwave, and then we have 1/3 cup of non-fat dry milk. And a lot of times you can get this, it lasts forever, longevity. If you're having problems with your milk going bad, you can always use this. Now, if you don't have this, you can use 1 cup of skim milk, and it'll be just fine. But we want to reconstitute this dry milk in our warm water to kind of create that substance of that base for our drink. And it just mixes up, it looks just like milk. And so we have 1 cup of brewed coffee that we're going to add to our milk mixture here. And then that's the way I like it, Kristi. All creamy, right? And then kind of to top it off, we have 4 tablespoons of hot cocoa mix.
Oh, wow. That's interesting.
And you can make it however you like. If you like the peppermint mocha or the salted caramel, you just add 4 tablespoons of your hot cocoa mix to this drink, and you just give it a really good stir. And once you have everything completely mixed up, you can actually put this back into the microwave and reheat it, kind of to warm it up to whatever temperature that you like to have your coffee.
Joanna, a lot of people probably still have some hot cocoa mix left over from some of those holiday gifts. So this will be perfect.
And what a great way. You can kind of get your caffeine with your coffee, get a little sweetness in there as well. And so you just pour this into your mug that you have, and then you can even top it. I mean, this is a delicious treat, right? You can even top it with some non-fat whipped topping.
Righty, I'll help you out there, Joanna.
We'll put some cinnamon, sprinkle some cinnamon, or you can do the hot cocoa mix if you have a little bit of that, and then you have your warm drink that looks like it came from the coffee shop.
And it smells so good, Joanna, and I think that it's so fun when you can create these beverages at home. Bring the kids in, bring some friends in, make your own coffee at home.
And you don't have to go anywhere, right, to get those. So, Kristi, great way to save money. Also, great ways to save calories. And if you need more recipe inspiration on how to create budget-friendly meals or to reduce your calories in your meals, make sure to contact your local extension office. We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show and hope you have a great day.